amazing morning. As you can see, I did hold ASPC over. I don't know why this didn't sell as soon as, pre-market opened. No idea, but whatever. I've still got, I'm actually up on the position. I'm up about 10 bucks on the position. No more. Because I'm down 5, so I'm up about 15 bucks on ASPC from yesterday. Because I had 17 shares, I actually ended up taking profit when it did run to 21 or 20 yesterday. So there's that. Just looking for where's it? Yeah, man, I hate eating late. I ate late last night, and now I'm hungry. And that's shitty. That is shitty. Why can't I find what I'm looking for? What is going on here? Oh, it's because everything's shifted over. There it is, right there. Yeah, Debbie Cust. Cust was a good one. That was a good call out. Cust was a good one. That was yesterday there. Just decided to wake up. 270 right now. A 5-minute chart. All right. All right, let's see. Where are we here? What are we doing? Where's everything? Okay. Time to wakey, eggs and bakey, rise and shine, pudding pie. That's right. That's right. Hit the like, the follow, and the share. If you're curious about what the EMAs are, just look on the screen. You'll see them. There they are. Those are my indicators that I use. BKYI, new high. Cool. 87 cents right now. About to try to break through that 91. That was a big hammer. Let's see if you got your confirmation candles here. That's a little extra for the morning, don't you think? What do you think? I think that's extra. Let me go a little something a little more comfy. Because it's a little much, I guess. I'm not ready for that yet. It's too much. Let's go from that to this right here. That was a little too much. I don't know. All right, here we go. So we got KUST on the other side of the volume weighted average price. You just needed to hold that. There you go. There you go. We're still looking for that 338. I think he's going for it. Yeah, I'm gonna go for it. I think I'm gonna go for it. Just a couple shares, nothing crazy. Let's just do that. I'm not into taking big positions right now. Oh shit, mother fricker. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna do it right there. There we go. So that's where I wanted to get in. Let's see if she's got more to go. Let's see if that works out. I'm still thinking it's going to get that 338. Made some money on this one yesterday on my small account. That was fun. I kept getting stuck at this two what was it, 259, 262. It just kept kind of bouncing around after hours yesterday. Yo, what's up, the one squib? All right, that's not what I was looking for. That's not what I was looking for. All right, let's see it turn around. Hey, you guys, don't forget to like, share, and follow. Oopsies. Forgot to send that on the Discord. All right, we're also streaming on YouTube, just in case you guys want to take a gander over there. Whoa, Seymour, thank you for the roses. Appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, so down right here, $6.53, 475 here. I'm still up because of a ASPC. Small positions, nothing crazy. Oh. All right, let's see if she's got it in her. There we go. Come on, get up over that $3 and go for that move. There's 294. It's a good little fight going on over here. Come on, push, push. Push, push, push. All right, $3 again. Remember, 318 is the high from after hours yesterday. So we're going to be looking to break that, obviously. Come on. It's we'll call it Wonky Wednesday. We'll call it Wonky Wednesday. Today it is Wonky Wednesday. Market's kind of slow, indecisive. Pay attention to stocks that pertain to AI. Pay attention to stocks that pertain to oil, gas, that kind of stuff. I had somebody ask me like, "Hey, I'm looking to catch another crazy runner like BNAI. Like, what do you look for?" Well, you look for a low float. You look for um, steady increase in volume. You look for catalyst based on what's going on in the world. You look for if there's anything going on with the company. Do they have any conferences coming up? Anything, you know, any possible catalysts that might be out there. That's what you look for. And honestly, if you're looking for mega squeeze kind of type stuff, here, I'll show you something. Let me show something to you. Oh, this is a good song. All right. Anyways, here. So you go to my website. All right. You go to my website. Up at the top, you got helpful links. You click that. All right. Then you scroll down here. Scroll down here, you got dilution tracker. Okay, you click that little link. You get yourself a free account. I'm already in here. All right, here you go. So you go in here, right? What do you do after that? What do you do after signing in here, right? What happened? They changed their shit around. I think they did. All right, so they changed their stuff around here. Learn dilution. Here you go. So here you have a dilution. Uh, Basically tells you everything you need to know. All right, so dilution impact flow chart, how dilution impacts share supply and daily runners. Right here, you got understanding SEC cheat sheet, understanding ATM offerings. Down here, they changed this around a little bit. Right here, characteristics of mega squeezes and how to anticipate them. Right here, this is what you want to read. Okay, if you have no idea what to look for, how to find it, right here, guys, just it's a 15-minute read. It's very easy, but this is all free. This is free, gives you great knowledge for free. You get that under helpful links. You go to scroll down. There it is, dilution tracker right there. All right, amongst other sites that I use to plan out my attack on the market. Go to jrockstocks.com, go to the learning center. If you want the watch list, click on the watch list. If you want pricing, it's right there. Okay, track record. You guys already know, 71% last week. Called out 35 tickers, and Vero was the best one. All right. Well, it looks like this one folded on me. Did a double top there and folded. That's what I get for not paying attention. Trying to teach you something, you know? Trying to teach you something. Where is everybody? You guys are all sleeping? What's going on here? Somebody tell me something. So right now you got BKYI still trying to break through that 90 cents. 90 cents. Yeah, 90. Damn it. It switched to MRO. There's BKYI right here. Still trying to break through that 90 cents. Nice little push here off this little reversal right here. This little downtrend reversal right there. Yep. All right. If you guys want to watch YouTube, you can. It's on YouTube as well. No music on YouTube, just me talking. So if you don't like the music, go over to YouTube. All right. What is going on? What is going on? So we got BKYI here, battle here, BKYI. That is a hard spot for it. And that 90 cents, it breaks that 90 cents. Should be able to run 9 million shares on the float. Nothing really there. Good morning. Let's make some money. That's right. Let's go. So there's a line right there. That is the line in the sand. Let's make that nice and gray for it because we don't want it like right blatantly in our face, right? Right here you have gaps that it made yesterday in after hours. Typically should break through that, but typically these gaps are little magnets. Good morning, Night Owl. Good morning, Steve. So, coffee cups here. Good goodness. Ah, there it is. All right, still psychological level resistance is $1, so keep that in mind when you're looking. Thank you for sharing the live. What's up, Cree? What up, girl? You defrosted yet? That shit is cold. All right, so again, you have more resistance around 107 and hit 138. So yeah, 107, you've got some solid resistance at. And look at that, it almost hit that. Almost hit that target. Ah, so close. So close, but not close enough. We did miss it. My God, it's still cold. Yeah. It is freaking cold. Ah, what is it? St. Bernards usually carry around their neck? Brandy? Maybe need some brandy. All right, we got BATL just not doing what I wanted it to do. It is coming back to volume weighted average price. It needs to hold that volume weighted average price. If it breaks through that, then I need to get rid of it because it's going to cost me too much. Then I don't want it to cost me too much. I'm trying to manage my spending today, right? PDYN's moving. Yeah, PDYN was moving earlier. It's a little bit thicker of a float, but yeah, same. It's 814, moved up basically $2. Basically, we'll call it $1.70. So yeah, so this one really needs a good push. There's a lot of walls. You got 97 cents walls starting. Yeah, basically starting at 97 cents. I don't see the bid stacking on BKYI, but I do see that the bulls are holding up what is that, 82, 85 cents, something like that. Let's take a look at PDYN real quick. Here's PDYN on a 30-minute chart. WTIRX. TIRX, it hit 61 cents. It's taking a break down to 46. Let's take a look at TIRX. Let's see if this one can hurt me. It's funny. 62, 60. Oh, there you go. There's a little gappy right here. A little gappy roo. Gappy roo. No telling what I'll think of when I'm on here. Ugh. All right, let's see what we got. Hey, what's up, Uriel? Night Owl. Good morning, guys. Good morning. There we go. Come on. Where are you going, right? Where's PDYN going? I cannot wake up. I'm so tired. PDYN, you got TIRX, and I'm not watching my stocks. I don't know. Don't know what they're doing. So somebody please tell me. How did ASPC do yesterday? Bran, it there was a point in that one where it ran to $20. This early pre-market ran at $18. I've still got 10 shares of it. I had 17, now I have 10. And I'm still up a little. Hmm. All right, let's see. So 1 minute. Looks like battles just take my money, I think. Because I went from being positive to being a little under right now. So here's battle. Damn it. It did break down. Yep, it broke down. I'll just take that loss. I'm not willing to watch this thing just keep going. Okay, not far enough. Shit. What a jerk. There you go. There we go. All right, I'll just take that $20 loss. I don't need this thing to go any further. It broke the 200 EMA. There's probably another 20 cents it'll drop. I'm not into that. So, no worries. Let's see. We were looking at this one. BKYI. It's funny. So yesterday, with all that went on yesterday, I traded a shit ton. I over traded yesterday. That's the thing. Did I post the shit? I didn't. I don't think I posted that. Oh man. Let's see. Let's see if I can post it right now, so I can show you what happened yesterday. Where are you? Where are you? There you are there. And there's that one there. Yeah, okay, cool. So this was yesterday. Like I said, I overtraded. I'm gonna share this. This was yesterday on the Discord so I can show y'all. There we go. There we go. So yesterday I made a little bit of money. Not much. I overtraded yesterday, and this is what it looks like right here. Just because. So this was, as you can see right here, up at the top, 127.26, 127.26. Made 11 bucks. Did good on SafeX, did good on IVF, did good on CYN, but not like nothing crazy. Again, I was trying to keep it light. GNTA kicked my butt yesterday. That one got me for 71 bucks. That just as soon as I went in, it took a shit on me. But so there's that. Okay. There you go. Whoa, hey, hello. There you go. If you didn't see it, now you see it. And there you go. There's the date. Okay. All right. Let's get that out of there. So that was yesterday's messing around. Cust 255. Damn it. That dropped too. Yeah, it did. Sure did. Didn't break through. What the hell? Thanks for letting me know, by the way. Broke the 200. It's probably going to come fill this gap. Do that little double top. I'm going to just take the loss on this one too, man. Damn. That's two that didn't work out right off the bat. Right off the bat, didn't work out. That's okay. That's all right. We still got cheddar to play with. It was green, and that is all that matters. That's true. What's up, Captain? AZI. Okay. So yeah, so there you go. Currently I'm down 23 bucks because of those two little losses that I took on. That sucked. That really sucked. It's like, damn it, man. Here I am just trying to tell you guys about stuff and show you stuff, and fucking things just decided to turn around on me. That's all right. That's okie dokie. PDYN is still doing pretty good. Sure, y'all want to know where it's going to go, huh? I'm sure you do. All right. Well, there's its little resistance that it's at right now. All right, support. Got it. See support there, resistance here. So it's in a spot right now where it's kind of trying to figure it out. All right, Derek, how are you? A little stuffy, but I'm good. I'm just trying to, get through it. Trying to get through everything, really. It was a little rough at Uncle's house yesterday. Yep. Came home, just wanna make sure he's doing good, and I don't know. You got to be in the right mindset for caregiving. I'm looking. There's a lot of fakes. there's a lot of fakes right there that are, on the top gainers. There's a lot of fakes right now. You need apple juice? Amber, why not? That's not a bad idea. That's just a little bit, just to warm up, right? Just to warm. So I don't know if I'd call this apple juice. Uh, this is more like, maybe this is apple juice off the forbidden tree. I don't know, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Oh, God dang. That'll wake you up just a little bit. Little sip. Hey, what's up, Mitchell? Mitchell's in the house. What's up, guys? Overtraded one day. Overtraded oh no day. One day. On a day? Monday. On Monday. Gotcha. Night owl. Gotcha. Gotcha. All right. We gotta find something. We gotta find something with some actual movement. LTRX is trying 229 million float. LTRX. Here's LTRX right here. So it's only done 346,000 on volume. It's 2 million floats, pushing that 840 again. Looks like it's been a steady move up yesterday after hours. And pre-market keeps bumping its head right there at 837, 840. So just keep an eye on it. It looks like it wants to break out. Its average volume is only 500,000. Possibilities are endless. It looks spicy. Yeah, it's Charles Goodnight. It's a small batch. It's really good. All right, come on, PDYN. Man, I played the breakout twice today and got shafted both times. This is a 1 minute chart. This is a 3-line strike right here. So this nice big body candle here filled those. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. All right, so there you go. So 3-line strike, and then you got a nice little boost up here. You got your MACD turn green. Finally broke over that. It really was having a hard time with that 840, 837, 840. Oh God. Now I feel like I'm chasing. You know what? Whatever. I'm down a couple bucks. Let's just do a couple bucks here. Fuck it. Who cares? It's not even much. It's 20 shares, so we'll go with 170 bucks, maybe 200 bucks. I don't know, something like that. That's two times 7, 14. So that's 14 bucks. There we go. There you go. There we go. Man, look at that. We're almost there. Come on, get that first target. Let's go. Well, let's go. That 3-line strike, that's what you can look for as well. And then again, I keep telling you that these little candles like this, it's inconsistent. It's I've seen these do good and I've seen these do bad, but like more of the doji candle usually works off of support. Obviously, it was support and resistance was at 840. So currently we're doing pretty good. We were up about 20 cents there per share, which isn't a whole lot in money respect, but if I was in this 120 shares or 100, geez, see, I'm tired, 100, 200 shares, it would help. It would help. All right, guys, hit the like, the follow, the share. Don't forget to go to jrockstocks.com, check it out, become members. Members are free. Subscribe if you want to watch this blog. If you want Discord access, if you want alerts. Yesterday's alerts were pretty fire. You guys see the take profit one up here, right? And it's 929. Nice little runner. Good move. Good move there on PDYN. And again, this was one of those that I saw early on when there wasn't any volume. And I was looking at it and I'm like, oh, maybe. We'll see. We'll wait. And sure enough, it blew up and it was already $8. And it's like, ah, oh, okay. Well, need to pay attention a little better to it. That's the hard part about doing these lives. It's hard to pay attention and jump around and try to show you guys other stocks and put you on other things that might be moving. That's the really hard part there. Oh, such a nice little aftertaste. That's 435 over here. Oh, look at feed, F-E-E-D. Feed, 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 feed. Feed is waking up. You've already got your price target there. This thing is 11 million shares traded so far. It's a 1 million float. Oh, it's only done 680, so 81,000. There you go. Feed's going to hit that target. Feed's going to hit its first target. Or is that its third target? That's a good move. What's the news? Must have just dropped something. I don't see anything. Okay, let's see. News filter. One day ago, live feed, First Lady. Nope. Nope. Yeah, it's got no news that I see. But I do want to play that game. I do want to play this game. I do want to play it. It's a 140, 100 shares. Sure, let's do that. It's 140 bucks. 135 if it fills me down here. Come on. Come on down. Just playing around. Just having a good time. There we go. Just bought me 21 shares, looks like. 23. Come on. There we go. I'm in now. We're red. That's okay. As long as it holds volume weighted average price and moves a little bit more, I'm okay. I'm all right. Let's actually make that the blue color. All right, let's line it out, make it another color here in a minute. There you go. I knew I remembered this one. Oh wow, that'd be super. Look at that. There's purple line there. You guys know what purple line means. That usually means there's a gap there somewhere. PDYN came back down. That's all right. I do not like that the MACD is getting smaller and smaller on the green side. It's coming back down here. The other thing you guys can take away from my trading is that there's so many times you can get in a stock. You can take your couple pennies being up, whatever. You can take a loss. You have to know what your limit is. You have to know like where you'd cut it off. You know, this one here didn't move nicely. Yes, it did. It made a very nice move. Right now, that MACD is turning red. It's kind of getting bigger than it's been these last two little ones, right? So it might be coming down. Might be doing a head and shoulders pattern. Here's one shoulder, here's a head, and here's the other shoulder, and it comes right back down to the 200 EMA. Or it could be taking a break, trade a little sideways, and then go for another run and hit that target 929. Could, you know, nothing's guaranteed in trading penny stocks. Nothing's guaranteed in anything really. But so far, I'm not doing so good today. I'm down. I'm losing stuff. Losing $3 here, $5 there, 20 bucks on that other one. It's all about entry. I'm playing breakouts today, and the breakouts aren't working. But that's all right. That's okay. If as long as you manage your position size, you don't get hurt too bad, you have a chance to come back. TDYN trying to come back up for me here a little bit. We'll just put that up there, see if it wants to say hello. This one here. See if it wants to say hi to that one. All right, that's cute. Hey, what's up, Seymour? Hey, brother, I want to know what you think about RZLV. RZLV. Let me take a look. I remember this one running a little ways back. Well, that did a little funky chicken candle, funky chicken cup and handle there. How is it in respect to the 200 EMA? So cup and handle there, right? But it didn't really work out. Well, in my opinion, I see it coming back to the 200 EMA here. So 335. If it can break 335, then you might even get this 405 here. You're gonna have some resistance, obviously, on these stair steps, but 382 is going to be a solid resistance. What time frame? This is a 30-minute time frame. Yeah, that's it. You'll see most stocks respect the 200 EMA, and they'll either, they'll use it as support, they'll use it as resistances right here. Support, right? Support, and then finally broke through solid, just said, nope, screw you, we're out. And then traded sideways in a little downtrend right now. Looks like it finally decided to break up out of that a little bit, and possibilities are that it'll go back up. The only thing that I see that's a little in my opinion, is right here. Your MACD's turning red on a 30-minute. What's 1 hour looking like? Yep, there's your 1 hour. So your 1 hour is still green, but it is the downslope of that MACD. Looks like it did kind of a double top here, triple top. Did it try to come up here? Damn, what is this freaking feed thing doing? Is feed coming back down to this too? Jesus. What is this? Lose money today? TIRX, 76 cents. Yep. So yeah, so that's what we got there. You got some solid resistance there at 320. There was a gap somewhere back there, but it looks like that gap got filled at 335. We can get rid of that. Oh God. Okay. So yeah, so that's that. Possibility is it gets back to volume weighted average price. Also, that it gets back to the 200 EMA. Also, the idea there is if it breaks it on momentum, because it is a big float. It's 177 million. It's only done 384,000 in volume. Its average volume's 22 million. So yeah, so it's probably, in all honesty, unless it picks up that volume, it's just going to keep kind of going down, still in that downtrend. You got a little inverted head and shoulder pattern here, but that's a little bit of a breakdown right there. So that's that one. All right, TIRX pop. Yep. Ricardo says TIRX. So sure, let's take a look at that TIRX over here. Okie dokie. So TIRX 70 cents. Check. There's that little purple line there. So it's at its other gaps right now, 84, 84.29. Breaks through those. You got more gaps here, 90s. TIRX on a 1 minute. You've got the gaps. You got the gaps. Oh gosh. All right, let's keep on looking here. What do we got? So there's a big gap at 236, 240. Not saying it's going to get there. I just like marking it so I know. So there's a big gap there. There's your little gaps down here. So yeah, that's what you got. So possibility of it hitting one. Sure, let's do it. Why not? Possibility of it hitting 127. That's pretty good. We'll make that our first target. Second target about 150. One there. And then third target. Why did it go purple? Wrong button. There you go. That's better. Remember that dollar is going to be a solid area of resistance. So just keep that in mind. For those that think that it's going to hit that $2, yeah, just keep in mind that solid area of resistance is there at $1. It isn't a huge float, 12.49 million, so that's not bad. All right, news says 150 per share. Oh, that's not news. Did it get a? Oh, okay. Invest 80 million in TIRX at 150 a share under new strategy. Okay. Well, maybe it'll get there. You know, the Nasdaq does get a little tricky, right? And Tian Ruxing Holdings sounds a little Chinese to me. I don't know about you. Maybe Vietnamese. I don't know. I don't know. Not sure. All right, guys, hit the like, the follow, and the share. We're doing pretty good. I'm trying not to fall asleep. Does AIMD have any more chances today? Does AIMD does AIMD do? Let's see. That does not look good. Um, I mean, above the 200, maybe it has a chance, but look at it tried breaking down here, tried breaking down here, tried breaking down here. Now it broke down. Its last support's right there at 213. That's its last support. And then after that, like, probability of it going back down to this 190 is pretty good. So yeah, that's what we're gonna say that. That's where we're at. All right, something's working for me. I'm up on something. What was that? What am I in? I think I'm in this one, right? Yep, I'm in this one. So PYD DN's doing it, and then I'm also in what am I in? What am I in? What am I in? Feed. Feed's going down. PDYN's going up. Let's see if it gets that first price target. That's the 1 minute chart. Let's go, baby. Break on through to the other side. Break on through to the other side. Go, go, go. Oh, man. I think I'm going to have another cup of coffee. Frick. Oh. All right. Feed looked pretty good. Feed looked pretty good, and then it didn't look very good. Oh, here we go. Let's get a little happier here. Come on, PDYN. Let's go wakey wakey. Eggs and bakey. Come on, flip this MACD. You know you want to. 240,000. What about MP? I'll take a look. MP. What about it? What about MP? 39,000 shares traded. 140, 42 million float. 42,000 shares traded. 40,000 shares traded today. Your time for a long play. All right. So for a long play, if I were looking at for a long play, I'd go over here and I'd go to like a 4-hour. I'd look at a 4-hour chart. Well, looky. Looky. You got this little, that's insane. This little double bottom here with this freaking plug up and then just trashed right back down to the 200 EMA. Right down to the 200 EMA. Trading sideways right now, a little bit of consolidation. It's looking pretty good on the 4-hour. Looks like it wants to come back up. 71, maybe 72, 70. Yes, that's not bad. Yeah, bounces off the 200 EMA. Bounced off the 200 EMA there. Yeah, there it is. All right, what is feed doing? I'm curious. Oh man, I'm down $9 on a. So I'm down 9 cents. This is why you play. This is why you play with small positions, so you don't get wiped out. You don't get hurt. No, well, that's why I'm so, I don't know. I guess lazy today. I feel like I'm lazy today. What do you guys think? Hit the like, the follow, and the share. All right, so here's the 200 EMA. Let's see if it breaks through that 200 EMA. Love this part. Oh man, day's not starting off the way I was hoping. Down $33 right now. It's all right. It's all right. As long as oh man, I've only got $524 left to play with. Okay. All right. Well, I guess I better start really playing, huh? I think I'm gonna go get that coffee. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, I think I'm gonna grab that coffee. I need to wake up. Making some dumb mistakes. I'm making some dumb mistakes. I've been playing I haven't been playing breakouts. I've been playing a little differently. But today I'm playing breakouts and today I'm not doing so hot. So change strategy, right? Strategy's not working. Yep, feed just feed's just acting a little tricky here. Shit, I'm gonna take another loss. I think I'm gonna take another loss here on feed. I mean, I almost got the target. I did, almost came close, but no bueno. Let's see if it wants to do. That's a hammer candle. Let's see if it wants to throw up a little green candle here for me. You know, I'd appreciate it like at 129 there. That'd be cool. Do 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 do. This looking a little bit like saggy boobies, maybe right here. on, PDYN. There we go. There we go. Hammer candle. Nice. Let's go. Confirmation candle. Come on. Let's go, baby. Let's get off that bottom. Let's not take a loss on this little thing. Let's take a little W. It's going to be a little W, if anything. That is a hammer. That is a confirmation candle on a downtrend. It's almost textbook. Almost textbook. Let's see what happens here. Next candle. Green. Come on. Come on now. Maybe 3-bar play coming. Maybe 3-bar play. We'll see. We'll just keep on looking here. Nope. Guess not. Guess it's a fake out. This is boring. TIRX hit 90 cents. AZI needs to break through that. I'd say it needs to break about 335, something like that. 333, 335. You'll have yourself another high here. There's 337, 339. I'll switch this one. I have more hope in this one coming back up than I do feed. But here's AZI. So it needs to break through this right here. 333, 335 needs to break with volume. Come on, push. There's a target right there for you on AZI. I know it's far away, but you can't have these little cherry picking. Like, hey, look, my target's 354. No, that's not how we do it around here. Ah, oh, come on, man. Damn it, feed. Let's go. What are you doing here? 64,000 shares. Yeah, 55,000 shares. Come on. 1 minute hammer. Then you got confirmation candle. Then you got a little run. Almost got me out. Even, roughly. 1 penny less. And then it's straight back down. What kind of shit is that? What kind of shit is that? All right, we'll cater to it. We'll watch it. Maybe it's doing maybe it's doing an inverted head and shoulder pattern. What do you think? One shoulder, there's the head, and maybe another shoulder, and kapow! How do you like him now? All right, just give me 2 seconds. I need coffee. I'm gonna go put some coffee on. If AZI hits that target, you guys scream at me, okay? All right, coffee's being made. Let's see if AZI wants to go ahead and break through. We're gonna find something. I'm telling you, there's gonna be something. You guys are gonna be like, "Oh my God, Jarek, you found something so amazing!" And I'm gonna be like, "Yeah, I know. That's what I do." All right. What's the temperature at wherever you guys are at? What do you got? -12 Cree. Ugh. is this doing now? All right. Still putzing around. Okay. Maybe I'll have one more little squeeze up there. Like I said, maybe a double bottom here. It breaks this little yellow line. That's no bueno. That's your volume weighted average price right now. You're looking at crazy candles because it's 5 a.m. Crazy candles. 29 in Florida. Wow. 11. Okay. 8 in New York. -1 Minnesota. It's warmer here today. -2. Yay. Yeah, you know, hey, that's good. It's good. Come on, PDYN. Let's go. Just give me a little run. Little run up. And you, I was not expecting 5 a.m. candles to drop you down to the 200 a.m. What just happened to my voice? Sorry. Damn. Come on, give me one more push. One more push. Come on now. Let's go. Break 873. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get that 929. Come on now. No, not yet. MACD's flipping nicely. That's good. There we go. Come on, break 9 again. You barely broke it last time. Let's see if you can do it this time. Little scallywag. CXAI. I like CXAI. You're in a heat wave. Now, what is it here today? 39. We're 39 degrees right here, right now. All right. I like it when we're above 38. It usually makes me happy. Come on, PDYN. Let's go. Push, push. If you want to flip that MACD, you flip that MACD. It's so funny that I told you guys, so like these are getting smaller and smaller. Now look how big the red got, right? And then now let's see if the green starts coming back. We're working on that 929. That's the goal. That's the ultimate goal here is 929. Now let's do this one. No, that's not do that one. We already did that one. Let's do this one. Come on, baby. You break through that, damn it. You break through that $9 and you just go. You didn't even get to $9. You got to 890. PDYN, what are you doing? Let's go. Giddy up. Oh, you know what? You know what it is? It's probably this right here. It's probably because I'm wearing a beanie. It doesn't know. It doesn't know. It doesn't know. It doesn't know. Let's go. Oh my God. That's like summer. 39 degrees is like summer. Come on, break that 9. Let's go. Giddy up. This is how we. That's right. Much better. Stocks will go up now. That's right. That's right. Look at this. Look at this. We got back to 902. Let's see if it wants to make that new high for us on PDYN right here. 908. They got 902 right there. Oh, here we go. Here comes that target. Let's go, baby. Giddy up. Cowboy hats on. Cowboy hats on. We're ready to go. We're ready. Let's go. It's rocket time. Rocket time. Let's go. All right. Remember, guys, don't forget to take your profits. Don't forget to take your profits because it's coming. Break that 9. Break it. Break it good. Let's go. Come on, volume. Let's go. Let's see what the 5-minute looked like, just for shits and giggles here. For yiggles. Look at that. Look at that. Push. Push, push, push. So we got right here, we got consolidation. And finally it decided to move. Let's see if it wants to get through that though. This is a 5-minute chart, so it just hit 909. So it just topped out at 909, its previous high. Come on, baby, push. She's looking like she's trying to get weak on us. Don't get weak on us. Don't get weak on us. You can push through that 909. All right, guys. You know what? You know what helps. You know what's gonna help this go up is you guys tapping the shit out of that screen and sharing the live. That's what's gonna help. I can almost guarantee it. Almost. There's like I'm a what about what 5% chance that I can guarantee it. Oh man, come on. Come on, PDYN. You literally did 909 again. That's lazy. Don't be lazy. Lazy is not good. We got all these targets to hit. What's up, Stinky Pinky? SXTP. I do not see SXTP. There it is. It's pushing up against that 60611, 606 right now. Oh, my coffee. It's done. My coffee's done. Uno momento, por favor. Coffee's done. PDYN, not done yet. There we go. There we go. Mitchell with the fireballs. Let's go, Mitchell. Thank you very much for the hearts me. Thank you, Wade Wilder, for the 5 chilies. Look at that. We have a goal of 100 chilies, guys. 100. It's because we need to chill. That's all right. Let's keep the energy going. Let's go with this one right here. A little Brooks and Dunn. How about them apples? Mmm. Come on now. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Up, up, up. Feel very adamant. I wanted to hit that 929, that 988, and that 1017. That is a triple top, though, guys. That is a triple top. So my confidence level is a little less confident, you know. Whoa, hey, you guys hit the goal. Holy shit. Cree, what are you doing? Wade Wilder, thank you. Cree, thank you. You guys nailed that goal. Killed it. You slayed it. Oh, it smells so good. I got my Death Wish coffee back. Oh, oh, come on. Come on, PDYN. Let's go. Help a brother out. She's getting weak, guys. PDYN's getting weak. I'm starting to look. I mean, the boys, the Bulls are trying to hold up 850. They're trying to hold up 850. Um I'm not seeing a whole lot stack up until about 878 on the bid side or on the ask side. On the bid side, I'm seeing, I'm seeing 2100 at 863, 860, 2100. I don't see those asks stacking up. I don't see them. Not gonna do it. Ooh. Come on. We just need a little push here, a little nudge. This one here, I don't know. I take it back. What's up, dog? I take it back. You can't take it back, dog. You can't. You can't take it back. There's no takesy backs. This is an inverted head and shoulder pattern. That's what it is, okay? No takes backs. All right. Look at that. 0 felt like 12. Oh, God. Ugh. Cold weather. Yeesh. Very cold weather. All right. Come on now. Let's go. Come to fruition. Hit my target so I can be happy about it. And you just stay above that red line and get above the yellow line because feed, you're killing me. All right, we buy. We buy is a that one is a watchless stock, so I can't give any targets on that one. But it's waking up. It's good. That one's waking up too. TIRX, careful. That might be doing a head and shoulders pattern the wrong way. Not an inverted one, but a regular one. So be careful on TIRX. You guys are doing fantastic. Fantastic. Let's see, 5 minute again. 5 minute. Look at that MACD just coming down on the 5 minute. This thing just trying to survive. I think my next move might be is if it gets up to 898, I might take it. Just not showing a whole lot of strength. Tried, got beat up. Tried, got beat up. Tried, got beat up. One more try. Maybe it breaks through, maybe it doesn't, but you know, if I can take a profit instead of a loss, it's better. All right, let's see if it's going to try. Let's see if it's going to try. Let's just get this ready. Here, let's put it right here first. 929. So we'll do that right there. All right. And then we'll drop that down here. Yeah. Let's put that I think it can get up to here at least. One more time. We'll put that there, but we're not going to sell. We're not going to hit that sell button. We're just going to put it there. You know, here. I'll put it right here for you guys so you guys can see it. All right, we're not selling. Not yet. We'll put it there just to watch, see maybe Miracle Superman waiting on PHGE. All right. I like it. So I've got it right here just because if it does want to just take a quick little rip back up, notice the little green right there, little tiny baby. Yeah, and then you got a lot of red. Oh, come on, baby. Let's go. Give me one little push because it's looking very weak. Hopefully I'm right. Hopefully that is a inverted head and shoulder pattern and it'll jump up and hit 929, you know? It's a funky one though. It's like watching paint dry. Oh, this is a good song too. All right. So let's see. So is sitting in traffic. Yeah, that's true. So what chart patterns do you guys like? When you guys see a pattern, what do you guys like? What candlestick pattern or chart pattern, or what's some of your favorites? I'll tell you, mine's cup and handle and the hammer candle. Man, this thing's just looking weaker and weaker. All right, feed's starting to come up a little bit. Finally got back to the volume weighted average price. Let's get cancel on there. So just so you guys know, because I'm being very cautious with hopium candle. Cup and handle, yeah, cup and handle is great. Hopium candle, I mean, I see those, but I don't know. I'm not a fan of hopium candles. Oh, Cree got a Calvin. Cree got a Calvin. Look at that. Guys, we got a Calvin. All right, this might be my chance here. This might be my chance here. Come on. Let's see. All of a sudden, some volume started coming in. It's so random. So random. Makes zero sense. But this might be my chance. Let's see. Come on. Random volume. Random volume. Okay, so I'm going to take this down. Let's see. Where does it like to bounce around? Right there. Okay, let's put that there. Let's see. Does it have any more strength? Watch that MACD. Remember, I've got to sell here. I just put it here. Just putting it on the side here, waiting. Waiting to see what happens here. Little top wick there. Come on. Come on. Random volume out of nowhere. Push. Come on, Bulls. I mean, the level two's looking pretty okay right now. Come on. Let's go. Stack it up there, Bulls. Come on. Come on, guys. Hit those likes, man. Let's get these candles up here. You gotta hit those likes. You gotta share the live. I think sharing the live does more than the likes. Yeesh. A lot of fighting going on. My finger's like getting really heavy on this button. If I don't see 90 again here in no one in the next, there you go. Okay. Okay. Good, good, good. Come on, a little more. Let's go. A little more. Get up to 9. Let's see if you can break 9 with some volume. Come on, there's 912. Look at that, guys. All right, let's go. Let's cancel that. Let's get this profit right here. Let's get this profit. Come on, come on, come on. We're almost there. We're almost there. 923. Come on, push 927 and 927 and 927 and oh, you little dirtbag. Come on, get up there. 928. Jesus, come on, you can do it. You know, I ain't gonna fight it for a penny. I ain't gonna fight it for a penny. I'm just gonna drop it. That's okay. Let's see if it just sells. Come on, push it. Oh my god. It's trying. There you go. It's gonna take it. It's gonna hit it. I'm gonna cancel. It's gonna hit it right now. Right now it's gonna get it. There you go, guys. There you go. Profit scalped. Profit scalped. Target hit. Target hit. Profit scalped. Boom shakalaka laka. Boom. Ha ha. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Take that. Take that. Let's go. All right. It's so stupid.
That was easy.
Dog told you, but you said you said you were taking it back, and I said you can't take it back. No take backs. See, don't ever go against the J Rock. The J Rock won't let that happen. No. See, You can't. Took my 10 back. Yeah, there you go, Captain. Take $10. I don't know how much I got there. I think I got like $20 or something. I don't know. $10? Something. I don't know. Whatever. Still, profit's profit. Let's go. Yeah, take your $10. Let's go, Cap. That's right. That's how we do it. That's how we do it when we screw around. Oh man, it's got to be the hat. It's the hat. It's the hat. When you go against the red, white, and blue, you get the horns, right? Mm, let's go. Come on now. Feed me, damn it. All right, so that was a little breakout. That was a little bit of a head and shoulder pattern there. Little bit. Weird one. Or we'll call that total recall. We'll call that total recall boobs. Hit the like, the follow, and the share, guys. Let's go. All right. Let's here's one of my favorites. Legend right here. Legend. Let's go. Hammer candle is Night Owl's favorite candlestick. I love the hammer candle. I love it. I love it when it works out. Here's a perfect example of a hammer candle working out a little bit. Not a whole lot though. That wasn't that was getting snuffed. Stuffed. Mitchell. Hell yeah, dude. Yeah, there you go. I love it. Yep. I love it. That's the cup, man. That's pretty much the cup right there. Come on, feed. Get your ass up. PDYN, let's go. You woke me up. I appreciate it, PDYN. You did. You woke me up. I was really sleepy there. Let's go. Let's get target number 2. Let's get TP2, baby. Dog, you sold at 864. Were you not listening to me? Did I not tell you it was gonna go hit that target? Ay ay ay. I'm just kidding. No, that's all right, man. Hey, look, did you make profit? If you made profit, then you did good. So with that with the profit that I made there on that little run on PDYN, I'm only down $15 for the day right now, and that includes this $5 right here. So I love it. I love it. Let's go, guys. This is the type of energy that I want in here every day. I want calm, cool, and collected, and ready to scalp some more. Is it too late to scalp PDYN? Think it'll another opportunity. Yeah, it is. It's giving you opportunities right now. I just wait for a pullback because that target's coming in. Yeah, the one squib. Hell yeah, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's come on. Get that 988. Let's get that 988. There's 970, 973. Let's go, baby. Guys, don't forget to take your profits. That is one of the biggest things I gotta keep showing you that is take profit. Just keep taking profit. And the reason is because when this thing turns around on you and it goes back to freaking $2 or $6, goes back to $6, you're not gonna be mad because you made money. Let's say this thing runs to $12 or $15 or $200 or whatever. Will you be a little annoyed that you took your profit early? Sure, but you're not going to be mad that you made money. When you look at the end of the day, when you look at your account and you go, huh, hey, it went up, like you're not going to be mad at yourself. All right. Well, that was a good one. Let's see. PDYN. Come on, baby. We got feed coming back for me a little bit here. I'm only down $2 now. Woohoo. That was old text when it was down to 840. I got nervous and hey, profit's profit, buddy. That's right. Let's go, feed. Come on, baby. All right. Well, feed gave me an opportunity to get out with some profit, but I like it above the volume weighted average price. So I'm going to see if it wants to go ahead and hit my first target. If it hits my first target, I'll make a couple bucks, nothing crazy. Oh, come on. So this could be just a pullback. All right. I want this thing to hold $9. Remember, it had that big resistance at 909. So it breaks this little guy right here, and it's going to come right back down. The thing I like about this spot for its support is because you've got the 20 EMA right here sitting there. The blue dot, you guys see it on TikTok. You guys see the blue dot, and you have the key right above there: 9 EMA, 20 EMA, 200 EMA, VWAP, color coded to the colors of the lines to make it easier for you guys to read the chart. So the reason I like this one here is because it actually used that as support right here. So that's good. It was a solid area of resistance here for it. So 909 needs to hold that support. If it doesn't, then it's probably going to come back down to volume weighted average price, which is 863. And if it breaks that, it's probably going to come down to the red line, which is your 200 EMA. All right, so there's that on PDYN. All right, remember this candle that I keep telling you guys? It reverses. Well, let's see if it's going to reverse. Come on, baby. Let's get target 2. Big jump right here. Big push. I don't see any stacks. I see 975 with 1154 shares at 975 on the ask. There we go. Here comes that target, baby. Let's go. Let's get it. You mess with J-Rock, you get the horns. There's 984. Come on, man. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. God, you guys. All right. If you guys love me, put some peaches in the chat there. Let's go. Let's go. There's 984. Man, we were hesitating back here on this triple bottom or inverted head and shoulder pattern just by a hairball. Just a little hairball. There we go. Speaking of hairballs, I got a lot of those to clean up today. Freaking kitty cats. Come on, baby, push through it. Let's go. 984. You're not gonna leave me dry there, are you? Oh, hey, feed just turned green for me there a minute. There we go. Come on, feed. Let's go. It's your turn. Let's go. It's your turn. Feed break 138. We got a new high coming in. Come on, feed. You can do it. Be a pal. Be a buddy. Be a pal. We're moving the right direction. Hey, how come I don't see no eggplants or peaches in the comments? So you guys don't love me? Oh, that's sad. I'm just kidding. You guys are great. You guys got me to my chili goal. You guys oh god, I love this. Ah, Ella Langley is freaking amazing. I love her music. She's got some good stuff. Oh, that Stinky Pinky gave me some cherries. Oh boy. You love me. You really love me. Thanks, Gary. Yeah, I got this hat at a gas station actually driving to go see the Packers play the Cardinals in Arizona with my son. That was our very first NFL game. Um, so yeah, that's awesome. I wore this when we beat the Arizona Cardinals. Yep. Oh, you look like you want you to come on. God, man, leaving me high and dry here. So this is a little area where I want you guys to be cautious. I wouldn't look at this as an entry here at all. This is now where it's starting to decide, okay, we're a little extended. Let's reevaluate. And sometimes even if you look at your L2, you'll see ones. You'll see on the order book, you'll see a one, and that is the algorithm resetting. That's what those ones are. So the algorithm helped push that up if you didn't know that. But yeah, I definitely don't consider this type of movement here as a sign to say, "Hey, let's go ahead and buy in." Is it going to hit my target? Probably. It hit 84. It probably has a little bit more in it. There's 85. God, I love it when my targets hit. Come on, baby. Let's get target 2. Let's go. All right. Come on, feed. Push right here. Right here. Give me a big candle. I know you want to get through it. I know you want to get through it. I see you. I see you. I see you. I feel like I feel like I'm what Wesley Snipes in White Men Can't Jump. Do you hear Willie? I hear Willie. Yeah, you can't hear Willie. Uh, come on, break on through. Let's go. There we go. 139. That's what we wanted to see. We wanted to see a break of that. Let's go. There we go. There's 142. Let's get our 147. Come on now. Feed. Let's get our 147. Come on. Push, push, push. You can do it, baby. I know you can. There's 143. Again, I'm not going to sit here and get greedy or anything. I'm going to just move this down, and I'm not getting greedy, and I'm not getting greedy, and I'm selling. I'm not getting greedy. There you go. I made some profit, so now I'm in the. Look at that. Look at that. Profit scalped. Profit scalped. Oh, God, I love it. It's so much fun. When a plan works out, it really does. When you know what you're looking at on the chart, it really works out. Really works out pretty good. And like I said, PDYN, it didn't hit the 988 yet. It's starting to curl. That curl is looking like it wants to come right back down. Oh man, look at you making a money. It's because I'm taking some profit. It's because I'm taking my own damn advice. I mean, it only took this long for me to start doing that. Oh man, I know. I'm a big dumb animal. All right, so we got PDYN, we got feed. So we did good there. We made some profit. That's cool. All right, let's take a look at some other ones here. So remember TIRX. I said that looks on a 1 minute. That looks like a head and shoulders pattern. So here's what that looks like. There's your head and shoulders pattern. This thing broke the neckline down. All right. And here we go. Let's see if it continues. This candle here supposedly is a reversal candle, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm buying that. I don't know if I'm buying that. I say it probably come down to about 62 cents. And after that, it's going to come to the little red line, which is 56 cents. Not much more of a movement there. PDYN, here we go. I tell it to you. Let's see if it wants to bounce off this little blue line here, a 200 EMA. You guys can set up your charts just like mine, so you guys have exactly the same thing I've got. Okay, it just makes it way easier. Right now, it seems like everything's kind of curling back. You got BKYI going back down 77 cents. AZI's just kind of chilling right now at 320. Feed hit 153, so that's cool. Hopefully it wants to get that other price target there. MRNO. Man, this thing is known for this shit. I swear to God. It pumps and then just dumps. MRNO hit $4.09 and then dumped to $2.88. You know, is there any way to sort of predict what a stock may do at open? Um, yeah, a little bit, but I mean, predicting is very I don't know, it's not a very good way of trading because predicting what happens at open, I mean, 2 minutes before market opens, stock could throw out a offering or something saying they're delisting or whatever. They do it right before open so that they capture all that money. Like we saw one, it was at like $5 and it tanked all the way to 11 cents before market opened. It was insane. Do you guys remember that one? Hey, what's up, Cardinal? Thank you for the hearts, me. Do you guys remember that one at open? Yeah. So there's a head and shoulders pattern there for you on TIRX. Let's see if we can find something that we can get a little bit of profit on here. Oh man, I want to get back out. I want to get back out camping and fishing and just so nice. It's so nice. It's just too cold right now. All right, PDYN, put that pull back. Let's see. Let's see if it wants to come back up. Looks like it does. It looks like it's trying. It's trying to turn this little red MACD green. Um, I would say if it can break that 977 again, then I'll come up. If it breaks this little blue line, or look, what I tell you, the little blue line is the support. If it breaks this little blue line, then it's going to come back down. Hopefully it stops at 929. If it doesn't, yo, what's up? Terry Holly. How you doing, buddy? The first moderator of Jrockstocks right here. Look at that. Big old 0 degrees here this morning. No camping for me. Yeah, it's right now we moved up 1 degree. It's 49 now. That's cool. Let's go, guys. Hey, do me a flavor. I don't know if you guys want to, but there's like 87 of you on here. Go check out my YouTube thing and subscribe. Become a subscriber. It doesn't cost you anything. It's free. I'm just trying to grow that channel a little bit because what do we add on that channel? Such a good song. I got one person watching on the YouTubes there. Actually, no, wait. we we have 5 people watching. It changed. I just needed to refresh my screen. Let's go. Thank you guys for hanging out there. Yeah, Terry's back. Look at that, guys. Terry's back. Oh, hey, thank you for the chilies. Jesus. You're on fire here, man. Did your finger get stuck on the chilies? F36 Will. F36 Will's his finger got stuck on the chilies. Holy crap. Oh man. Oh geez. Look at you go, man. Hey, thank you very much, F36. You're going nuts. Thank you, Cardinal, for the chilies. Man, I've done that before. I did that in J Diamonds. My finger got stuck on the roses. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. All right, let's see what else is moving here. PDYN is trying. Remember, it breaks 977. We got a good chance of it going to the next target. 97's there. So there is 977. Just broke it 982. Come on. Push with good momentum. Move that volume. Come on, girl. What are we at here? What's the volume? 233 so far. There's 980. 233,000 shares on this candle so far. 315. That's what you want. You want that volume to increase. You want this to start turning green because right now, see, it broke back down. Damn, didn't quite get there. What that proves to you is that there's a solid area of resistance right where I put that 988, right where I put that second target on PDYN. Thank you, F36. Man, never heard this version, Country Roads. I like it. Yeah, it's pretty good, right? What do you think about TIRX? I told you it's got a head and shoulder pattern that it's actually worked out. Here's TIRX right here. There's your head and shoulder pattern. It dropped down. Looks like it used, what was that? 68 of support. All right. Looked like 68 of support. If it can't get back over volume weighted average price, it's going to continue to move down and it'll probably get back down to 57 cents. And if it gets close to that 57 cents, then it's going to tank. It is going to run back down to this little gap down here. There's only one Jrockstocks, yes, and it is spelled exactly like that, guys. Don't get it twisted. Don't get that twisted. It's spelled exactly like that. Jrockstocks. Show you guys the TikTok just real quick, just so no one gets fooled by some other freaking jack. There's a lot of jacks out there. This is my profile. This is what it is. Then there's only one. There's no other Jrockstocks that looks like this. They'll use my picture, but they'll put like a dot right here, or a dot after the J, or a dot between the stocks and Jrock. All right. Hey, look at that. You guys are doing your job. Look at the help is helping. We're at 2009 views on this video right here. But see, these are still light. These are still light. We need these to this kind of stuff. This is what I do on the weekends. I'll throw these out on the weekends. I started doing that 2 weekends ago. I want to do Saturday and Sunday, but for some reason Sunday, that's when I put this out. It didn't want to put my video out. It didn't want to do it. I was a little perturbed. But just Jrockstocks just like that, okay? I have 26,800 followers, or just about. All right. So, and I post all sorts of fun stuff here. Violated. That was fun. I got violated. Onco, that was a perfect trade. And on this one here, I actually show you guys the alert, and I show you the chart itself and what made me think why it's doing that or why it's doing what. All right, so there's that. Pretty cool. Thank you guys for doing that for me. That's great. But only one Jrockstocks, no others. All right. Boom. Shakalaka. So here we go. So TIRX is going to come back down. That's my opinion. It doesn't look like it really wants to hold the 70. It tried to flip that MACD back to green, as you guys can see right here, but it's starting to come back down again. You got this little tiny hammer candle right here. There's a little tiny hammer. Okay, on it. Yes, it's on a little bit of a downtrend. Let's see, is it going to do it before I say it? Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it's trying to get back up a little bit. Notice how that MACD is starting to turn right there, but I think this is just a fake out. I think it's trying to make you think it's a double bottom. I think it's really going to come back down to that red line though. PDYN breaking down. There you go. Couldn't get through that 985. So where's that blue line? Didn't I tell you it breaks that blue line? It's going to come down to the other blue line. There it is right there. Right back down to 929. PDYN. Let's see. What did I miss here in the chat? Hit the gift goal. Yes, you did, sir. And thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That's very nice of you. Very kind of you. Ask going again. Yeah. The ask is just flooded. 71 cents. It's got 5,400 shares sitting there at on TIRX. You got MRNO trying to get back up, break 3 again. It's trying. What do we got here? AZI consistently moving up. Nice little pattern. It looks like it's trading in a channel actually. So this is AZI. There's your target, 427. AZI is trading in a channel. Here's your channel right here, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. May I have your attention, please? We've got a channel right here. There's your channel. Yep, right there. There's your channel. So if you wanted to, you can draw your own lines. I just quickly, just to show you guys, I use the little trend channel right here on Weeble. So it breaks this little guy right here, breaks this little line, and you can have that target. Remember, $4 psychological level resistance. So once it breaks that, you're off to the races. 427. Boom, shakalaka. A nice little pattern, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and keep it going. We'll go to we'll go to the clouds. AZI blocked on. Yeah, so Charles Schwab is being a pain in the ass. God, yesterday I tried to get in a bunch of stocks actually, in after hours on Charles Schwab. Wouldn't let me. It would not let me. It drove me nuts. It finally let me in on one, and I made a little bit of money. Look at that, GRI. Nice blow up there. Good call out there, Terry. Why is it blowing up though? Do we know? Do we know? Do we know? Nope, we do not know. It is a super tiny float, only 482,000 shares on this sucker. This is a 1 minute. Because it's moving so fast, let's go to a 30-second here real quick. That went from $4.61 to $11.90. Wait for a little pullback. I want to partake, but my brain's telling me just hold off. Check it. Check it. Look at that. Just the other day, looks like it might have done a split there. GRI 1190. These reverse splits have been just going bonkers after the reverse split. Okay, right now, see, look, right now it's at its resistance. You see that right here? Resistance 1112. Right there is 1097. Let's see where. All right, here we go. So currently still at resistance right there. There's your 1111. That's your support right back here. You guys see that right there? 1104. 1350. All right, let's do that. We'll see, because it's such a small float because of their split there. Let's put a target there, and let's go stock it. let's go stock it. All right, let's see here. Create, and we'll keep it light. What? Let's see. It's 9, so that's 200. I don't want to do that. Let's do 10. Let's do 10 shares. Let's go ahead and place it there. All right, let's see if it buys me in. I'm not going to chase this one. I'm just going to leave it here. See if it wants to pull back and buy me in at 934. I'm not going to chase. Chasing's bad. I do it too often just because I'm having fun on the live streams. Kind of boring, isn't it? Yeah, that was a great song. Very true, very true. Thank you guys very much for hanging out with me. This is great. All right, so I didn't chase. It bought me in 932. Let's see. I've got 10 shares, so that's $90.32. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Currently, it's taking a break. That was an influx in volume real quick. 3 million shares on a float of 482,000. And remember, that's all skewed because of the split, right? It did a split, yeah? I think it did a split back here somewhere, right? Yeah, right here. What was the split? It was a 1 for 28 reverse split 6 days ago. 1 for 28. 1 for 28. Let's see. Let's see if we can make a few doll hairs. Do 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 do. All right. I need to be knee deep in the water somewhere. That is true. I do need to be in the water somewhere. That is just how it goes. All right, let's keep looking. Fun morning. These lives are getting more and more fun. I got a lot of characters in here. Discord's doing good. They're having fun as well. All right, we got a double bottom here on PDYN. This right here looks like a legit double bottom off of that 929, which was the resistance, right? Yeah, once it broke, look, there's resistance. There's your support. There's your support. Watch for that MACD to turn around and watch that volume to pump. There you go. It's back over that little blue line, the 20 EMA. Ah, no, GRI is going the wrong direction. Look at that. I'm down a dollar and 20 cents, $1.30 right there. Hopefully that 9 EMA holds it. All right, there's PDYN making its move. There you go. Do we have a new high coming in? Are we going to hit our 988? Let's see. Needs to break right here. Needs to break. There we go. Come on. Come on. Looks like we got our, there it is. There's our target, guys. Profit scalped, right? Hopefully you guys took some profit there. Hopefully you guys did. Man, I'm down $2 on GRI. And I thought I was being patient. Dang nabbit. That's all right. 20 bucks to nothing. That's all right. Let's see. Is the 20 EMA going to hold it, or is it going to come all the way back down to the little red line? There's 990. Our target hit, guys. There we go. Let me get that off the screen here for you. That was easy. Hopefully you guys caught that.
That was easy.
I told you guys, support, right? You got to look at these supports. How's it doing? Well, look at that. Threw up a little, we can almost call that a dragonfly doji. Yeah, we can call that a dragonfly doji. Threw one up right here. All right, then you got green, confirmation. Then you got another little doji candle coming back down off of support. And kapow, how you like me now? Let's see that 1017 hit. And I need to line this out further for you guys. I do. So because we are so far extended already, this 1017, probability of it hitting take profit 3, pretty good, I'd say. Not too shabby. Next one after that, though, we're not going to go crazy. We're not going to go freaking $13 or nothing. But we're going to go ahead and look back at our 30. I scroll down. Slide this over. So you got 1073. Look at hit 1073, 1073, 1073. Right here, 1069, 1084. So obviously we're gonna use 1073 as our next line in the sand, because 1073 seems to be a resistance area, right? So what previously told us, hey, guess what, J-Rock, this thing's bumping its head right there. So why don't we just call it that, right? Man, GRI not looking healthy. It's gonna come back down to that red line. Yep, I'm just cutting it. I'm just cutting it. This thing's not. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it at all right now. Ooh, that's its first little red line too on the MACD there. Let's see if we can save a little bit of money here. See, and that's why like on these crazy rippers, sometimes you just sit back and don't look at it, you know? All right, so we got a hammer on a downtrend. Let's see if this is a confirmation candle, a green one. I'd love for it to be a green one that caps off right about here. You guys can't see it on TikTok. YouTube can see my cursor. So your MACD's still red. Let's see. Give me a nice big green candle. Come on. Come on now. Give me a green candle. Nah, it has to be a green candle for me to stay in it, or else it's gonna be sell. Bye bye. All right, come on. So downtrend, hammer, confirmation candle, green. There it is, a green candle. You don't go in yet. You don't sit there and go, hey, I got my confirmation, I'm in. Your next candle has to be green too. And look at your MACD. Your MACD is still red. Hmm. So if you're wondering why my sell is at 607 down here, it's because I'm watching this to see if it works out or not. If it works out, great. If it starts to dump, I push that and it should sell right away, you know. I like that hat, J Rock. Thanks, man. Thanks. It's the one I bought at a gas station going to Arizona to watch the Packers play the Cardinals. First NFL game, and it's my little keepsake from that. I'll always remember it because it was the first game I took Brody to. Took my son to. Come on, break on through. All right. Okay. It's looking a little better. Your eyes looking a little better. All right. A little bit. Not it's not like, "Oh my god, this looks amazing." This is looking a little better. Just come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Scare it up, right? Let's scare it up. Come on. I guarantee you 1000% there's a toxic agent on this thing just waiting. Just waiting. If you don't know what a toxic agent is, go back to some of my profiles. Yep, yep. I made it easy for you guys to see the tickers on the screen. All right. Yeah, I'm not definitely not oozing confidence here. Come on, GRI. Frickin' let's go. Move your ass. You know, it's funny because on these lives, it's like I'm up, I'm down. I'm up, I'm down. I'm up, I'm down. It's because it's hard to pay attention to one ticker. PDYN right now, it actually ended up going back down. 944. God, I think I'm gonna sell it. I don't know. I think I'm gonna say bye-bye to it. It's not showing me a whole lot of confidence. Not doing it. What do you guys do you have any videos on Tube on how to set up the lines to watch the charts on Weeble? Yeah, well, I can show you how to do that. It's actually very easy. I'll do it right here with you. Let me just decide if I want to sell this thing or not. Stress away, little corner. Is that a R or M? Oh, little. I think that's corner. I don't know. I don't want to say the other word. All right, come on, break through that $7 and run hard, because yep, I'm out. Screw it. I'm not taking a bigger loss on that. 20 bucks is fine. That's, you can always make that back, you know. All right, so let me show you how to set up these little EMAs here. So it's really easy. You can go up here, you can go indicators. All right, and these things will pop up. You can hit all indicators. All right. I like I like doing it over here. So you've got your EMAs right here. So there's a little button right here, settings. You click that. Then you have your lengths right here. So I have mine 9, I have the 20, and then I have the 200. So you go to style, and then you go EMA 1, that's my green, EMA 3, that's my blue, and then EMA 6, that's my red. The reason I did that is because I don't want to use all these. Like, you could zero these out too, that's fine, but that's how I do it. Source, close, and that's how you set them up. Real easy. All right. So I made the right move, I think, on GRI to get out. I made the wrong move by jumping in right at VWAP where I thought it was going to hold. No holding, whatever. I waited for a pullback. You see, even when you wait for a pullback, you still get slapped in the face sometimes. But again, we're up and down, up and down, up and down today. No big deal. No big deal. Purr. TikTok just randomly showed me your video from Monday. That's weird. That's weird. All right. Let's see. PDYN trying to come back again. Let's put this back on a 1 minute chart here. So look at this. This is a great way of showing you how it works. So right here, it stalled out, right? Triple topped. 1, 2, 3. We knew solid resistance at that 909. Moved up. Stale, right? This is like the Total Recall booby scene, right? This is a triple booby, triple saggy booby hat pattern. And then it finally broke through. Beautifully done. This little candle here was a little weakness, and a battle happened between bears and bulls right there. Good song. And then it finally erupted, right? It finally got up to 929, that target that I called out. You got a little bit of a, it looks like almost a dragonfly doji right there. So a little indecision here, a little consolidation, and then it started moving back up. Triple topped you here, came back down. Told you the little blue line. There's the blue line there. Again, over here, I said it breaks that little blue line. It's going to come back down to that 929. And I said I'd love for it to hold 909. It held right here. It hit 915 right there. Didn't break 909 and then came back up. You got, this is a dragonfly doji right here. Confirmation. Little fade, and then you got your doji, and boom, again 995. Missed the target of 1017, but it got 988, so we'll take that. All right, no problem. Stress away, no problem. All right, so again, guys, hit the like, the follow, and the share. It is 6:04, so 26 more minutes until market opens. I'd watch this. I do think that PDYN, I think it can get up to this 1073, maybe a little bit more. The float's a little big. Volume has almost rolled the float one time, but it did roll the average volume about 15 times. So that's pretty good. All right. GRI, be careful with it. It is a low float. Could have come back at market open, very much so. It did just do a split 6 days ago, and it decided to blow up because it got some kind of volume. Is there news? I saw that. Sorry, I just saw that. Debbie says it had news. Did it have news? What did it say? GRI Bio meets primary endpoint in phase 2 study, met multiple secondary endpoints. All right, that's great. That's great. That's good for it. Phase 2 isn't, it's still not that high up on my hey, yay scale. Oh, you got a little inverted head and shoulder here. I didn't notice on PDYN. Little shoulder here, little head right here, another shoulder here. There's the neckline, this 974. It breaks 974 and it can run up to that 988, 1017 possibly. Remember, solid area resistance is at $10. Psychological area resistance is $10 on PDYN. So there you go. But man, that's a pretty chart. That's a pretty chart. Look at the 5 minute. You got your stair steps, your stairway to heaven. You got 1, 2. I think 3 is going to be up here somewhere, but that's just an opinion, not not a not a full on. I don't even know what I'm talking about. What am I talking about? AHMA, 1.73 million flow. It's done 65,000 in trading so far. It's at $37. The thing ran up from $30, roughly $30. Yeah, about 30 bucks to 38. AHMA. Ahm. Come on, baby. Let's go. Breakthrough. Go, 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 go. Watch. This is going to be a big candle. It's just going to go bling, bling. It's going to hit both of those. You guys are going to throw up like different kind of emojis and things. Thank you, Geopoliticus, for the hearts. Me appreciate you. When it does that, you guys are going to be like, oh my God, Jarek, what are you doing? I'm going to be like, I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Psychic. Come on, move up. GRI, you disappointed me. That's okay. You made me give back some money. That's all right. It is a contact sport. It is unforgiving. Let's see. I alerted PURR yesterday. Did that do anything? Because it seems like it moved today. And if you guys aren't a part of Jrockstocks, if you guys aren't on the full access, if you guys aren't on the Discord, you are missing out. Here's let's see, how much of this do you guys see? There we go. So you guys see the top and it stops right there at ASPC. All right, so here, look, you guys are missing out. So yesterday, let's look at yesterday. Yesterday, 6:55 a.m. ASPC. Look at this, right? There's your alert. That was the alert on ASPC yesterday. It hit all targets. Hit all the targets. Hit this 1975, hit 20. It did it. All right, so it got a little trophy. Okay. SafeX, SAFX. Boom. Again, got another trophy. Hit all these targets. Actually ended up running to about $38 if I remember correctly. So that's pretty awesome. GITS. GITS from when I was looking at it, I don't think it hit anything, honestly. I think it missed the targets. But there's your SafeX, there's ASPS. Today I put out the alert on Battle BATL, 380 to 390. There's your take profits. I haven't even looked at it because I went online, and when I went online I was sleepy, so I was talking to you guys trying to stay awake. Thoughts on IMMP, AZI. All right, break this 977. Come on now, PDYN. Let's go. I want to see it. Oh, this is a good song too. What is going on here? All right. All right. Dang, you're playing some great tunes. Thanks, Terry. Yeah, I went with country today. So here's a 5-minute chart. This little guy, you want to pay attention to these little guys. You want to pay attention to hammers. You've got your dragonfly dojis and you've got your gravestone dojis. Those are those are good good reversal indicators. Come on, PDYN. Let's go, baby. 150 on feed. Wow, feed hit 160. Look at this. Hey, look at that. Wow. Oh man, you guys didn't tell me to hit my target. What happened? Come on, I thought we were a team. Let's go. I told you guys. I told you. So I sold here because I just take my profits, whatever. Take profit one for me is good enough. When I'm playing around on here with you guys, I'm not gonna go full board. I'm just gonna play around. Okay. Um, I'm gonna put up solid indicators. I'm gonna put up, these take profits here. So take profit one is this little light blue line, and this dark blue line up here is take profit two. Look at what it did. It hit it again. It hit take profit two right there. So that's that, hey, that was easy. But you guys didn't tell me. No one said, hey, take a look at feed. It just hit your target again. All right. Take your profits, guys. Take your profits on the way up. All right. So market's going to open here in about 19 minutes. It's fun. GL. Are you saying good luck or are you saying GL? Like, look at GL. See, that's a little tricky right there. I did on the Discord. Two down D. I did on the Discord. What'd you do on the Discord? What'd you do on the Discord? Let's see. You put something on the Discord. Feed blue. Oh yeah, you did. You did alert on the Discord. Hey man. Thanks, dude. I did not see that. I am sorry. I apologize. Oh man. Look at that, guys. We're at 12,000 likes. Do you guys think we can get to 20,000 likes by market open? De nada. Do you think we can get to 20,000 likes by market open? Market open is in 18 minutes. We have 18 minutes. And look, there's 88 of you in here. If every single one of you gives me just 100 likes from right now until market open, we'll hit 20,000 likes. That's not that hard. I don't think that's difficult. All right, so we should probably put another target here on feed. Let's see. So feed 160, right? Solid area resistance, as you guys can tell. I've shown you this before. This is so easy. Look, there's a resistance point. There's support. There's resistance. And no wonder it got stuck at 160. All right. Your next one, I know it's not that high, but we're going to say it's going to be somewhere around 180, 181. And then we got 94. So I'm going to call this, we're going to go with 187 on this one. So your take profit 3 is going to be 187 on feed. There's your take profit 3 on feed. And then your take profit 4, obviously, look at all this crap right up here at $2, right? 210. Yeah, that's a lot of support. What's this one right here? 209. Sounds about right. Remember, $2 is psychological level of resistance. We're gonna just do this. There's your fourth target on feed. We're gonna go back here. But remember, it did have a nice little gap from this morning. Or is that after hours? Nope, that this morning it jumped up. Shit, no, that's after hours. I was wrong. That's after hours. Oh boy, look at that. Already we're at 15,000 likes. That was easy. Go PDYN. Is it doing it? Is it doing it? Is it doing it? It's trying. It's trying. Just needs to break that 977 and it can go for that run. Wow, actually looks like 988 right now. The second the second take profit on that one. All right, any more coffee left? All right, that right there means it's 6:15. The lights just went dark, so you think feed will go up? I think it has a good possibility of going up. Remember, lots of profit takers are going to be out there as well. So, all right, we got 8 people on YouTube watching. That's awesome. That I think that's the most I've had on YouTube. Last call. Oh, I'm so glad I got out of GRI. Ish. So glad I got out of GRI. It's coming down to 549 in my opinion. It just broke its last support. At 609, it broke that. It's at $6. Psychological level of support. Okay, solid dollars. What what is resistance becomes support. What becomes support becomes resistance. Back and forth. Blew up more. Feed did. Let's see. Feed. Where we at? Feed. Nicely done. Let's get that other target. Let's get 186. Come on now. That was 187 because it's at 1869. I think I was trying to put that at 187. I'm pretty sure I was because yeah, there you go. There we go. 187. Perfect. All right, let's go. Solid effort, solid performance here today. We did good. We're starting to get the crew back together, as you guys can see. We've had 85 people in the live. We had 100 in the live. Steady. Doing pretty good there. Thank you, David. Thank you very much. All right, let's go. And we're at 16,000 likes. Look at that. 4,000 more likes, and we still have 13 minutes to go. Let's go, feed. Get up there, baby. Get that 187. 187. Push it. Oh. So we are at 752 subscribers on the tube. Any way we can get that, any higher, anybody in the tick on the talk that hasn't subscribed yet on the tube, it would be very helpful if you can, just make your way over to the tube. You'll find me. It's not going to be my face as the live. It's going to be the Jrockstocks live. And again, it takes 2 seconds for you guys to do that and help me out. I'd appreciate it. You guys are great. Holden Bay ER from 321 yesterday. Nice, J Trader. Good for you. All right. I'd keep an eye on CPSH. Keep an eye on that one. It's a 14 million float. Needs a lot more volume, but it's been working its way up slowly from say about 538. It's at 643 now, so it's a whole dollar in gains there. Just keep an eye on that one. AHMA decided to come back 37. It hit 41, came back down to 37, 38. It's jumping around like crazy because it's a 1.7 million float, and it's only done 130,000 in trading. So look at you guys, 18,000 likes. Whoop whoop. Let's go. Solid work here, guys. You guys are doing fantastic. Fantastic. Tapping is clapping. Y'all please show some love. Yes, thank you, Terry. Let's go. Come on, get that target. Remember, guys, please take your profits. Scalp that shit. Got it? Because we can make it easy because we're bullish AF. It's easy. Let's go. Get up there. Come on. There's 79. You know as well as I do That's not where its resistance was, but it's showing a little resistance. Resistance is up here. So there's 179. We're getting closer to market open, so that's why it's having a little bit more trouble. PDYN looks like it wants to come back down a little bit here. It's showing a little bit of a head and shoulder pattern on the 1 minute right here. You got one shoulder, you got the head, and you got another shoulder here. If it breaks that blue line, you know it's going to come back down. Probably 940. And if it can't hold 940, 929. All right, feed. Let's go. Show me some moves here. Definitely keep an eye on feed. Small float, good volume. Very good volume actually. If you guys have any questions, don't be afraid to send them my way. I will be answering more questions on the Discord. Just subscribed on YouTube. Thank you very much. Appreciate you. I will be answering more questions on the Discord than I do on the talk. That's these people are supporting me. They're building the community, which is fantastic. So they get first reign on any kind of answers. Um, I do these lives Monday through Friday, 4 a.m. I do it about till 6:15, 6:30. And here's the website. Again, you guys need to go there if you're looking for some knowledge, some price targets, some take profits, something to watch the next day if you have no idea what you're doing or where to really go. Here's Jrockstocks. All right, there's my track record right here. This is past week. I finally got it done. I update these on Saturdays because it takes a minute to go through all of them. If you want to know a little bit about me, here you go. There's something about me right there. Okay. And then pricing, if you want the watch list, if you want full access, it's right here, $59.99. You get Discord access. You can DM me directly. I'll answer your questions as fast as I can on there. Um, you get the watch list. You get take profit 1, 2, and 3. You get a stop loss, and you get a entry zone. All right. If you want to save 20%, you save 20% by signing up for the full year of full access. It's $569.90 right there. All right, so you're saving 149, 150 bucks. If you want the watch list only, you subscribe to the watch list only. It's $39.99 a month. It auto renews. You don't get Discord access, so don't think that you will. Helpful links if you don't have a um, broker that if you don't have a broker that lets you trade from pre-market open to after hours close. If you're having trouble with Charles Schwab making you call them to place a order on the phone because it says that this security cannot be traded, you have to call your broker. There we go. Thank you guys. We hit 20,000 likes. Freaking awesome, guys. Good work. That's what I'm talking about. um, Webull does not make you call the broker. Webull does allow you to trade these stocks, these penny stocks, these Chinese stocks, these whatever you want to call them. It does let you trade them. There's my referral link. If you use the link, you get free stuff. I get free stuff. It's a win-win, and you can have your charts set up like I do on my live streams. That way, you know what's going on. There's other good sites on here that you should know about. YOLO Stocks will tell you about what the people on Reddit mention. It'll show you what they're talking about. It'll take it and show you which stock's being talked about more. Well, that kind of stuff. Trading Views is great for charting. These are the indicators I like to use on there. It also does let you allow to program um, your charts, meaning your own indicators, that kind of stuff. FinViz also great for charting, great for getting good information, reliable information. Seeking Alpha, I'm partnered with them. I like using this for my swing plays if I have any. It's been really hard to do swing plays for me recently because I've been really busy. And when you're looking at swing plays, you want to do your research. GDRX, that one sucked. That was a flop for me. I don't have very many flops when it comes to swing plays, but GDRX was one. I'll take that on the chin there. All right, so there's my referral link there. I believe you get 10% off of their premium membership. Dilution tracker, guys. This is so easy. Just go to learn. There you go. You can learn how dilution impacts the chart. You got SC filing cheat sheet right there. All that good stuff. All right. All free. Just go to this stuff. Check it out. Honestly, it's free. All right. And beginners, you start here. Beginners, learn the rules. So there's a few rules that I'd like for you guys to learn. If you're a beginner, you learn these rules. You take a look, take a peek at GOAI. Like what? Okay, I'll take a look. Um, Look at these rules, learn them, live them, love them. Uh, Learn what a candlestick is, learn what it means, learn the psychology behind it, and then must know definitions. All right, guys. Again, this is what the watch list looks like, just so I can show you. Here was yesterday's, so I put this one up on the 26th for the 27th. So here's what yesterday's was. It did very well. You guys saw XTKG just absolutely go bonkers. There it is. It hit all those targets. USBC, NUWE, INTJ, ASPC. ASPC hit all those targets right there. I actually got up to 20 bucks. PHGE. There you go. Okay, so you get a little bit of information here. You get a dilution kind of rating from me. What type of dilution I'm thinking. Look at INTG, extreme dilution. Be careful. But you get entry zone, take prop 1, 2, and 3, and then you get some notes. Okay, so that's how it is. That's how it goes. That's what it looks like. That's what you would be signing up for if you did do any one of these. Okay, that's what the watch list you would get. Again, jrockstocks.com. If you don't know about me, read the reviews. There's 93 of them, and the most recent one's 2 days ago. All right. Thank you guys very much for hanging out with me. And again, I will take a peek at GOAI here. But feed ended up hitting just a penny short of that other target at 187. Guys, it hit 186. Take a look at that, huh? So just on the live here, we've hit 3 targets on feed. We hit 3 targets on feed. You're welcome, Sim. Thank you. Appreciate it. MRNO trying again. Yeah, MRNO, I'd be very cautious with that one. That one's been playing a lot, and it ran up pretty good and then tanked pretty hard. So just be careful with that. Come on, get that 187. Come on, here it comes. Here comes 187. It's probably going to hit $2. It's going to throw up a big candle here. There's 187 right there. Hey, that was easy. Let's go, baby. Yeah. All
That
right.
was easy.
187 on the dot. What? How do you do it? I don't know. I don't know how I do it. There's only one Jrockstocks, guys. Only one. But I hope you guys had fun. Enjoy your day. Remember, take your profits on the way up. Don't sell into weakness, sell into strength. You guys see me playing around, guys. This is me playing around. When I'm trading for real, it's a lot different. Okay, I really try to focus, and I usually play around when I'm at my uncle's house with the stocks. So right now, currently, because of I think it's ASPC that's messing with me right now. ASPC. Am I down on that one? Sure am. Sure am. That one took a dump there for me. I'm down 1384 there. So I was profit. Now I'm down a little bit on this one. For the day. I'm profit from yesterday on this one. So I'm happy about that. So yeah, hope you guys have a great day. Take profit on the way up, into strength, not into weakness. Read the stuff on TikTok. in the profile. There's stuff in there that you need to know about the market if you're thinking about getting in it and playing around, because the market is not a forgiving place. It will zero out your account. It will make you cry. It will make you throw stuff. It will make you punch the ground. Literally, I broke my hand and I shared it. I shared it with you guys right here. Why breakouts fail. Learn that, okay? When you do read all these slides, you can even snapshot these slides, okay? Read it. It's on my profile. Learn what a toxic agent is. All right? What nobody teaches you about day trading penny stocks. Read that. Very important. And then right here, okay, major filings to pay attention. There is a cheat sheet in here. You can just snapshot that and you have it forever. But do me a favor and share these things. Share it out so this grows. That's what, I don't ask for much, except I ask for it all the time. I just don't ask for much. I ask you guys to share the live, share the profile, share the content that's on here. And there is a lot of content. I've been doing this a while. So um all right, guys. One Jrockstocks. I won't ever reach out to you, message you about how your trades are doing or any of that. Market's open. I gotta go. I hope you guys are having fun making the money. Where is feed? What did feed do after it hit? It hit $2. Feed hit $2. Look at that. What are you doing, feed? Oh man. Is it gonna go? Is it gonna get that 209? Come on, baby. All right, guys. Have a great day. Ooh, PDYN tanking. Absolutely tanking. Woo, profit takers, guys. That's profit takers for you right there. That's the market makers. That's shorts. That's you name it right there. All right. Peace out, guys. Have a great day. Appreciate you. And I will talk to you guys either later today or tomorrow morning, 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Peace. Thanks for hanging out. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys on YouTube. You guys are amazing. Thank you for hanging out with me on YouTube. We're slowly growing the YouTube to, obviously grow the channel and grow the community so that when TikTok goes completely bonkers, and it has been, we all know this, it's going to give us more and more problems, which is fine by me. They don't really pay their creators, and now they're going to be stealing all our content because we give them full rights to when we agreed to the new terms. So hopefully you guys have a amazing day and make some money, take those profits, and I will see you guys later. Thank you for all the love. You guys are great. Peace.